Mr. Kazim Serинdag is a successful businessman, the owner of several industrial enterprises in Ukraine, Turkey and Russia. His companies are engaged in the construction, manufacturing, extrusion of non-ferrous metals, building materials, etc., distribution and trading. Key enterprises solely owned by Kazim Serинdag are the following: PJSC, plant of aluminum shapes, Donetsk, Ukraine. Kind of activity: aluminum extrusion production plant. LLC Zenit, Donetsk, Ukraine. Kind of activity: aluminum facade, door, window systems, curtain holder production plant. LLC ASAL Metal, Donetsk, Ukraine. Kind of activity: brass and bronze extrusion production plant. LLC ASAL Technic, Donetsk, Ukraine. Kind of activity: hot forged brass production plant. PJSC Донецкий завод мостовых конструкций, Donetsk, Ukraine. Trademark ASAL Beton. Ready mixed concrete and cast concrete structure production plant. PJSC plant of aluminum shapes, Donetsk, Ukraine. Founded in 1997. There were only 1,500 square meters of the industrial space at the beginning. The land parcel allocated for the aluminum plant is 5.1 hectare. The present plant area includes 21,828.1 square meters of the main production building, 14,127.1 square meters of the painting workshop and artisan plant warehouse, 7,341.8 square meters of a new warehouse for the finished goods. The staff of the plant is over 700 persons. The present production capacity is 24,000 tons of aluminum profiles per year, which makes up to a $120 million turnover. Aluminum profile plant is industrial enterprise with a full production sequence from scrap pre-al melting to extrusion and finishing of any type within the 5 color of an artisan and variety colors of powder coating. The foundry is represented by reverberating melting furnace, which is capable to produce up to 2,250 tons of aluminum billets per month for subsequent extrusion. The extrusion shop is represented by 7 automated aluminum extrusion lines with total output up to 2,000 tons of aluminum profiles per month. The painting shop is represented by 3 horizontal powder coating lines with the total capacity up to 1,300 tons of aluminum profile per month. The artisan plant consists of 7 baths with the overall capacity up to 1,000 tons of aluminum profile per month. Finished goods of the plant are certified in compliance with the ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 international standards. The product assortment is equal to 5,000 types of profiles in sections that can be extended depending on the needs of the customers. The plant sells its products on the markets of Ukraine and Russia mainly. LLC Zenit, Donetsk, Ukraine. Founded in 2000. The Zenit company represents the lines of general purpose and architectural aluminum profile system on the Ukrainian market. Today this enterprise is comprehensive supplier of aluminum profiles, accessories and other components for aluminum systems. 15,400 square meters of total industrial area. Own truck fleet of 47 units. The staff of the company is over 340 persons. Zenit has proved itself as a reliable partner of construction companies. The main advantage of the company is in the presence of the engineering design bureau, which works together with the Italian experts in field of designing and application of aluminum profile systems in Europe. The main form of activity: design and construction of facade, window and door systems. A variety of aluminum profiles, accessories and components distribution. Production of double glazing windows. Mechanical processing of aluminum profiles. Cutting metric threads. Milling, punching, drilling. Lamination of the aluminum and PVC profiles. Buckling of profiles for the arc and other complex structures. Free and timely delivery to our customers all over Ukraine. The company built distribution network all over Ukraine. Number of customers is more than 4,000 throughout Ukraine for now. LLC ASAL Metal Donetsk, Ukraine. Founded in 2004. They were only 2,000 square meters of the industrial space at the beginning. The current production facilities are located at the 4,000 square meters area of casting and extrusion shops. The staff of the company is over 150 persons. The current production capacity is up to 500 tons of brass rolled products per month, which makes up to $2.8 million turnover. It is planned to increase output up to 1,000 tons of rolled brass per month, which will make $5.6 million turnover. LLC ASAL Metal brass extrusion plant includes foundry and rolling shops. The foundry is represented by two reverberating melting furnaces, which are capable to produce up to 720 tons of brass and bronze billets per month for subsequent extrusion. Electrical induction melting furnace is capable to cast up to 200 tons of bronze ingot per month. The extrusion shop is represented by the extruder and two automated lines for roll processing of up to 500 tons of brass per month. The plant sells its products on the domestic market mainly. LLC ASAL Technik Donetsk, Ukraine. Founded in 2006. The land parcel allocated for the hot-forged brass production plant is about 4 hectares. The current roofed-over plant area is 7,500 square meters. The staff of the company is over 60 persons. The current production capacity is up to 150 tons of hot-forged brass products per month, which makes up to $1.5 million turnover. Nowadays, the factory produces body for water counter, installation kit and water filters body. The hot forging shop is represented by 3 forging presses with automatic gas heating furnaces and manipulators to produce billets for further processing. Current production figures: fittings and nuts up to 1,250 units per month or over 143 tons per month. Body of water counter up to 260,000 units or 130 tons per month. Mechanical processing shop is equipped with 9 transfers for dissimilar workpieces machining with total capacity up to 300 tons of products per month. It is planned the additional acquisition of 15 transfers and 4 automatic forging presses. The planned increase in production volumes up to 300 tons of finished products per month will make $3 million turnover. The brass hot forging techniques on equipment of the Italian and German producers is seldom meeting in Ukraine. The plant successfully sells its products on the markets of Ukraine and Russia. PGSC Донецкий завод мостовых конструкций, Donetsk, Ukraine. Trademark ASAL Beton. Founded in 1999. The land parcel allocated for the concrete plant is 5.89 hectares. Current production areas: main building with a forming shop, concrete mixer building, outbuildings and galleries, office building. The staff of the company is over 60 persons. The current production potential is 66,000 cubic meters of ready-mixed concrete per year, which makes up to $7.25 million turnover. The company produces ready-mixed concrete and reinforced cast concrete structures. Own car fleet includes 12 truck agitator and 1 auto-concrete pump on the base of Mercedes-Benz. The finished products are much in demand on the market, and the plant itself is permanently in the top list of concrete manufacturers of Donetsk region.